games begin. Should call them and ask what they need, but they should have everything they need. I need a hat. Coffees for the boys. Coffees for the boys. If you're a boss, and you own a landscape company, and your guys are working outside in the winter, bring them a coffee. Just do it. Don't ask, just do it. Oh boy. Lots to do.
Oh man, thank you.
I cannot believe from yesterday how many like funny clips there were. Like I can make Instagram reels for years.
How many hours?
Just from yesterday. No, I didn't spend any time.
Really?
No.
Oh yeah, you posted like 4 or 5.
I posted
clips.
2, but it was like
No,
it's
you
really
posted more than 2, didn't you?
maybe. It was super easy. Like how's it going? Is this slope this way? Nice. Oh, that'll be perfect. Here, I'll take that. Just fill that one. I'm just letting him. I'm putting in piles as he's laying it himself. I'm not even bothering. Oh, yeah.
But most of the broken ones are for each side.
Oh, okay.
No, you didn't.
Wow, no one's around.
No, you didn't.
Hey, just be careful those don't flop over. I had a fax.
No, you didn't. You only have one I give it to you. I haven't given you another one.
I know. Like, there's lots here for him. Just.
I'm going to sleep. It's fine. Yellow art, buddy.
I'm not.
You started at the end?
Dump it. I don't think the tiredness ever kicks in until like the day after for me. I don't know. I'll show you a trick. Choke. Full throttle.
Choke off now?
No, it's off. You just turn it on for like a few seconds.
No.
Man, you'd make a weird teacher.
That's right. You have kids, I'm teaching the next generation.
Super productive day today. I mean, obviously not as productive, but it's not bad. Considering there's only 2 guys. The running around is what killed them. But